Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Today, I'm gonna vlog what we do for today. Ta-da! My box. Wow! I had this doll, 100 pesos, and this, 200 pesos. And here's the diamond heart. And here's our capybara blind bag. This is two inside. And here, right here, and you got legendary. Okay. And here is our Romina milk. This is 100 pesos, 200. 200 pesos. I mean, 500 pesos. This is 15 pesos. Mas mura siya. Ito din 15 pesos. Mini phone. Chik, 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 chik. Tsaka ito, mini diary book. Ito, bago namin update stickers ang update. Zero, Disney Princess to. Okay. Mystery bracelet, 200 pesos, 1 pesos, 100 pesos, 2 billion pesos, 100 pesos, 300 pesos, 1 pesos, 15 pesos, 15 pesos, 2 pesos, 50 pesos, 1 pesos, 200 pesos, and the last one is blind bag. This is 100 pesos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and comment. I love it. See you next time, guys.